Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have the Sephora favorites. This is the sun safety kit. I wanted to share it with you guys. You guys know I always advocate that you should wear sunscreen every day, even if you are not going outside, just because you should just get into the habit of using a good sunscreen. Believe me, I have had some horror stories over me not taking good care of my skin when going out into the sun. The sun is not your friend. Let's be honest, it's not. It can be your friend, but you have to make sure that you take good care of making sure that you are properly ready to go out into the sun. So I thought this skincare set was a fun one to share with you guys. Like I said, I'm a huge lover of good skincare that's going to prevent sun damage. I was going to say skin damage, basically. Sun damage as well as premature aging and different things like that. So let's jump into here. So this was a $39 bag. I purchased it off of Sephora.com. It says it has a retail value of $221. I did go onto Beauty Deals BFF. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram, you absolutely should. She's fantastic. She has all the prices broke down so that way there I can tell you guys the value for each of them to see if you're actually getting the bang for the buck. I can tell you there are two full-size items in here, which is very nice. So we have the full-size Clinique Pepstart as well as the full-size Dr. Dennis Gross. So those are our two full-size items, which is nice because, like I said, skincare is important, but it can also be very expensive. So when you can get a good deal like this, it's always important to try to. I do like the bag that it comes in. It comes in this very cute little tie-dye bag. Perfect for the summer. Throw into your beach bag. Have anything in here that you need to carry with you. And it has a little yellow tassel, and it just has the little silver thing that says Sephora. So I'm opening it up. Everything is down inside of here. There's no like rhyme or reason. The way it's put in here is just kind of tossed in, kind of like an Ipsy bag or something. So let's go ahead and pull the first item out. So the first item I see is from Peter Thomas Roth. I really love Peter Thomas Roth for skincare because I feel like their skincare is very well formulated. There are some things that I've tried from the brand that I just don't love though. So let's be honest, not everything that everybody makes is going to be fantastic. So this is the Water Drenched Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud. So she says that this is worth $5.20. So this is a $5 product in your bag already, which, let's be honest, this is probably only going to be a couple uses. So you're not going to get many uses out of this. This expires on April of 2022, so you have a while to use it as well. Don't forget, that's something you definitely should check into, is like sunscreen that you may have been using last year. Definitely check the dates on it, because once it's expired, it's not going to do anything for your skin. You're not going to protect yourself using expired sunscreens. So that's really cool. That's a perfect one to throw into your purse though. The next thing is our full-size item. So this is the Clinique Pepstart, the Daily UV Protector. This is Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I love anything 30 and above. 30 and above to me is perfect. I've heard that some people make like 90, and then I've read product reviews saying that it doesn't actually work. So anything that's going up that high, it's not actually going to help you that much. It's kind of like a ploy. So don't get too caught up in the number. I would say stick around 30 to 50, 60, something like that. I think those are good numbers. Not that I'm recommending those are the only ones you should use. You use whatever you want to, but I have heard that anything that's up in the higher ranges, it's not true. So let's see what this says. This is a $30 value. So we paid $39 for the bag already. So we've almost made the value back on the bag just by getting this. And as I said, skincare is very expensive, but taking care of your skin after you've gotten sun damage is more expensive. So do things in preparing for going outside, or even, like I said, just do it every day. Just use a good SPF every day and you won't have to worry about it. Okay, the next thing in here is from, it's our other full-size item. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the All Physical Dark Spot Sun Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50 with Mela C Complex. I'm hoping this is going to help with my melanoma. I get melasma. I get melasma on my lip during the summer. It turns really dark. It almost looks like I have a mustache, and it's really embarrassing. I use a sunscreen. Yep. I use a sunscreen, but I still end up getting that for some reason. I'm not sure why. So this is, let's see, the value for this is, let me find it. Dr. Dennis Gross is, where is it at? Okay, this is $42. So these two together is $72. There you go. To me, that completely makes it worth it. If you're looking for a sunscreen you can use on the daily, these seem like they're going to be perfect to use on the daily. And like I said, they both have SPF 50 in them. So it's going to be very well at protecting your skin, especially your face. Your hands is something else that I want to mention that we should also be protecting. So these are awesome. So I'm very excited to have both of those. Let's see if they smell like anything. I don't know about you guys, but I like to see if a sunscreen has a scent to it, because some people don't like a scent to it. Some people do. I am one of the ones that I do like when it has a little bit of a scent to it. So the Dr. Dennis Gross, I'll just check the 2 full sizes. Has a little bit of a scent, but it's not sunscreen. Kind of smells like oatmeal. So if, you know what I mean? It smells kind of like the Colado oatmeal is what it smells like. All right, let's check out the Clinique. This does have a shaker in it, so you want to shake it up good. So let's see. This one should kind of, yep, pour out a little bit. This one is like more of a color to it, so it has a little bit of color. The other one was just plain white. So it does leave a little bit of a white cast to my hand here, but nothing extreme. Let's see. No scent whatsoever on the Clinique one. There's no scent that I can smell at all. Unless, of course, I may have... No, I know I don't have that. Okay, no, I don't smell anything on the Clinique one. That one sinks in very easily. It's got a little bit more of an oily feel to it, but it sinks in very, very easily. Whereas the Dr. Dennis Gross one is a little bit more thicker. It took a little bit longer to sink in, and it does leave a slight white cast. The other one doesn't really. I don't think so. I don't really see it anyway. So the 2 full-size ones, they are slightly different as in formulation, so just keep that in mind as well. The next thing is the Here Comes the Sun D3 without UV damage. This is a vitamin, so this is like a daily supplement. So I don't think this is going to have much value to it whatsoever. So this is Nutrition. It says $1.20. This is valued at. So you get 3 vegan soft gels in here. I'm not even sure about this. It says, lacking sun or worried about photo aging, charge up without sunburn. Here Comes the Sun is a high in vitamin D3 that is regarded as superior to D12 and supports the skin, your mood, immune system, and calcium absorption. Okay, I'm actually intrigued about it now, so I may end up checking this vitamin out. It says you only take 1 a day, so I'm going to check that out. The next thing in here is from Biosense. I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's be honest. I suck at pronunciations. This is squalane, zinc, and a sheer mineral sunscreen. So let's see what this one looks like. Actually, I'm a little curious now because this one kind of sounds like it might have a lot of a white cast, because anytime it has zinc in it, I always assume that it's got a pretty good white cast. So let's see. Here it is on my hand right there. Let's see. No scent, but it definitely leaves a little bit of a cast. So, but it just makes your skin look shiny though, like and healthy. Not like Edward Cullen's, like you have like glitter face, but just healthy looking. It's got a healthy glow to it. So I like the Biosense, the way it looks on my hand. So let's see how much this one is valued at. This one is valued at $11.82, which is a good value. Again, these are perfect ones to keep in your purse or you don't want to keep them in your car because that can destroy like the sunscreen, but you could keep them in your purse or keep one at your desk or whatever you need to keep little sunscreens at. They're great for that. Then we have this one here is the Super Group. This is the Unseen Sunscreen. This is a 0.5 ounce one. So this is broad spectrum SPF 40. What was the Biosense one? 30. So the Biosense is only 30. So this one here, the Super Goop is, let's see how much she has valued at, $10. So this is valued at $10. I don't think I've tried this one before. I'm going to stick it on my wrist here. I'm trying to put them in different places. Oh, this one's like a gel. It comes out literally like a priming, looks like the Benefit Primer, like the original one. No scent. A slight scent. There's a slight scent to it. But it sinks in very nicely. It's not sticky. It kind of feels like a slippery, it's got that silicone slip feel to it. So if you like more of a sunscreen like that, this one you may enjoy very much. The next one is from Murad. This is my holy grail. I love Murad. This is the Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30. So this has 30. Like I said, 30 for, in my opinion, 30 and above is where you want to kind of aim at. So this one is valued at, let's see, Murad is, whoa, wait, what? $30.59 for this one? Holy smokes, that's expensive for this one. I did not realize it was that expensive for this one. This one says apply liberally to your face, chest, and neck. Antioxidant rich SPF moisturizer with vitamin C. Anything with vitamin C I absolutely love anyway, because vitamin C is really great for helping to clear up if you have dark spots onto your skin. It has ginkgo biloba leaf extracts, help to shield the skin from environmental aggressors. So it sounds really, really promising, but like I said, Murad is one of my favorite brands. Just didn't realize their sunscreen was that expensive. It's a little pricey. So I can only imagine what the full size price is. The next one is from Ren. This is the Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30. This is a mattifying. So in the summertime, I can use a mattifying sunscreen because you do get a little bit more oily, a little bit more like sweaty, I guess basically you could say. And they're great for that. So let's see what this one says. It says no chemicals, UV fillers, and no silicone. This one is valued at, let's see, we have this one broke down at $7.60. So here's a $7 sunscreen. As you can see, these are all adding up to an extreme value. Like between this one, and the Murad, you have $100 right there. So that's pretty expensive for skincare, but as you guys know, skincare is very expensive. Just make sure you find one that actually works the best for you. That's what's great about this, because maybe you like one over the other. You can kind of share them with your family members, see which ones they enjoy. So you kind of all figure out what sunscreens work the best for you. So we have quite a few more here. The next one is from Shiseido. This is SPF 50. This is the Ultimune Sun Protection Lotion. So I do like lotions versus like the gel, because the gel, I feel like for me, I don't know. I'm not a huge gel fan. I don't love it on my skin. I do prefer lotion. So this one is, let's see, Shiseido. This one is $2.25. Shiseido is quite expensive, so I'm actually surprised by the value of this one, but it's only 1/4 of an ounce. So it's a tiny little sample here. So that's probably why it's a little bit more less. All right, the next one is from Dermalogica. Dermalogica is another really good skincare brand. This is the Age Smart Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. So this one is valued at, let's see, Dermalogica is $10.59. So this is more expensive, but then again, Dermalogica is more expensive. It's a little bit more on the higher end of price range. So this is another really good sunscreen. It says SPF moisturizer helps to combat the causes of skin aging. Yes, definitely. It says after cleansing and toning, apply a generous amount to your face and neck 30 minutes prior to sun exposure. That's something else that I think that we kind of forget, is that you need to apply your sunscreen before you go outside. You don't want to apply it like right when you're already outside. You want to give that time to sink into your skin, time to protect your skin. Then we have right here this cute little bottle. This is a Kate Somerville. This is the Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Serum. So what is this one? This is not a sunscreen. I am curious about this. It says AM and PM apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin, follow with Delicate Recovery Cream. Okay. I think this must be something like after sun care. I'm not positive, but I'm thinking that's what it's for. So this is the Kate Somerville, and this one is $29.04. So another pretty expensive product, and especially for as small as it is. I want to smell this. I don't know why, but I'm thinking this one's going to have a smell to it. It looks like a little cream. It looks kind of like milk, basically. It definitely has a scent to it. It's very like medicinal smelling. So it's not something that you're going to be like, yeah, I'm going to slather this on. But it looks like something that could be important to use after being in the sun. Then we have the Lancome. Oh, I love this one. This is the Aqua Gel. So this is one that I can say that I do like it, even though it is an Aqua Gel. It is so nice. It sinks in very easily. This is SPF 50. This one is valued at, let's see, oh, where's the Lancome? I can't find it. Okay, here it is. $13.20. Again, a little bit more expensive for samples. I was like, that's why to me it's great to try these little bags out, because if you're like me, I like to use different products to see which one works the best. Also, I think it's nice to have all these little ones to put in different little nooks and crannies of your car, not your car, do not leave them in your car, and your purse and different things like that. So then the last thing in here is from Isle of Paradise. This is the medium self-tanning drops. So I have this actually, like the full size bottle of this. And what you do with this is you just put a couple drops into your moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you're using, and it goes on like lotion basically, and then you can use it to bronze up your skin to make your skin like self-tanned. So if you're looking for something to self-tan with the lotion that you already absolutely love, this is the way to go about it, because this doesn't really have a smell to it. It's not going to change the smell of your lotion that you're already loving, like a Victoria's Secret lotion, or if you're like me, you love the pistache lotion, something like that. It's great to kind of mix in with that to give yourself that bronzy glow. So these are nice. So this is, let's see, Isle of Paradise. Yes. I was like, what? Is that the name of it? This is $4.02. So this is not super expensive to actually purchase in the full size. So again, if you're looking for something to give yourself that more of a home fake tan, this is great because you can just add it to lotions you already have. So I really do enjoy this. So that's everything in the bag here. And of course you have the bag. So in my opinion, I think it's totally worth it. I think if you're looking for a sunscreen for the summer, because I know a lot of us don't typically use sunscreens until it hits like spring, summer. I use one all year round. However, if you don't, this is a great bag to kind of jump into to get yourself ready for the summer. So you have sunscreens for you and for your family. So it's going to be a great little set for you guys. So anyway, that's my opinions on this little Sephora favorite sets. I'd love to hear if you guys purchased this as well. Do you like it? Are you excited? Which one is your favorite? Let me know. I want to know which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.